Hindi. Oy, how much?
This is one of my favorite. I just give it
This
to
your
you.
favorite? Can I smell it?
I think it's from Bali, maybe.
Okay, so how much? How much?
How, like, what do you think? How much?
It's up to you. How much?
How much is up
You
to
say a price, then we're gonna have a bargaining here.
I think it's around 500.
500.
Yes, because it's my favorite. It's
Your
so,
favorite?
Look at these fabrics. It's so good.
It's
It's special for
you
you.
wore it? Really?
Yes,
You wore it
yes,
really?
Yes.
Okay. 500. Let me think. 100?
No. It's too cheap. It
What?
costs more.
How much?
It's not cheap.
How much?
It's a brand.
How much?
Design brand. 500, maybe 4. Gooseberry, do you know Gooseberry?
Oh, nice brand. But you know, the brand doesn't, matter at all. It's the one who wear it. $200 US.
Maybe more.
More?
It's true. I give you Saint Laurent bag together.
$250.
300.
300 plus 10 hugs.
10 hugs.
10 hugs.
Okay.
Can we do?
Yeah, it works.
Okay, so bibilin ko na to ng magkano ulit? $300. So that is in peso how much? Okay? In peso. 15,000. Can I pay in peso?
Yes, you can.
Peso? Okay, I'll pay in peso. Pero, but before
you're
that,
so rich.
no. Before that, let me see the hug first. Okay, the hug. Okay, 1. Okay. 2.
3.
Ay, may kiss nga yan. 3. 4.
5.
5.
Being hard.
4 more.
You smell
Oh, it smells so good. Okay, let's stand. Okay.
like a freshman.
Okay. So now we will pay. I'll pay you. Okay. So